Go, go, go. Good girl. Good girl. Keep going. You're doing good. You're rubbing your eyes. You're getting tired? No rest. Let's go. Go, go, go. You got it. Good girl. Okay, move your hand. Good girl. Okay, back up. You can do it. We've been practicing all day. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Very nice. Nice maneuver. Show us the ruffles on your bum. Very nice. Okay, back up. There you go. A little wobbly, getting a little tired. We're on a mission. Good girl. One step at a time. Gotta work on the dismount, that's all. Up, up, up. Oh, you can get up again. Are you that tired? Good girl. Good girl. That was a couple steps. You're getting there. Go, go, go. Oh, oh, the work it takes. Okay, you can do it. You're so close. Go, go, go. Oof. Oof. All that hard work, I know. You're doing it. Go, go, go. Are you just relaxing now? Say, Mama, that was hard work. Yeah, that was hard work. Yeah. Where are you going? Rubbing her eyes. Go, go. That's kind of hard to go in that direction. Bye-bye.